So, I got a package in the mail. So this video is sponsored by my sister, who got it for me. Roll that intro. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel, Small Bore and Two Wheels. If this is the first time you're here, welcome. If it's not, welcome back. Hell, welcome me back. It's been a while, but we'll address that in a different video. This isn't the one to do that in. Today we're just gonna look at this Predator ENGINEHAWK jacket. So in order to open it up, I'm gonna use Fire Pocket tool.
Perfect.
Talk about branding. ENGINEHAWK was born to revolutionize the motorcycle industry and completely redefine what motorcycle apparel can be. Obviously this comes here. It tells you not to open it before you can actually share it. So, hell yeah. The revolution has started. An ENGINEHAWK bag, which now carries the armor. I think at the beginning they were putting it at the bottom. People were having some issues trying to find the armor. That's the bag. It has ENGINEHAWK logo on it, but everyone's seen that. Let's see. I'm so excited for this. Let's try to take it out. Pretty good. You have your regular zipper, nice and smooth. Inside you have the back armor pocket. You have a lanyard with the information. ENGINEHAWK black Predator size. So you have the certification, the manual, everything how to do it. Let's take the lanyard off so we can look at this. Looks like the chain of a motorcycle. It's pretty good. Yeah, that's it is about 1 in the morning. I was too eager to open it, so tomorrow I will get this tried on and we'll talk about the fitment. Okay, before we get into the fitment, I want to talk about my measurements. I am 6 foot 1 inch tall, about 210 pounds, and I measure 44 inches across my chest. I ended up getting a large on this Predator, and let's see how it fits. I've seen this type of transition in ENGINEHAWK before, so let's see if it works with my jacket. They just work with their full zip of jackets. Okay, so you can kind of see the fitment of the jacket. It hits right below the belt line in the front and about where the pockets start in the back of my pants. So overall it's a very good fit. It fits very comfortable. I've been wearing it around for a few days, so it feels a little more broken in than when I first got it out of the box. But it seems like to be a little bit warm. There is some ventilation. If you can see the pockets on the side, they're actually lined, and you can leave them open while you ride to get some ventilation from this area, because you can use the kangaroo pouch as storage. There's also some zippers that come from the bottom all the way to right before you're onto the area, and they're also lined with mesh, so whenever you open them up you have the airflow and you can actually clip it at the bottom to keep the same sizing around the waist. The whole jacket is not leather, so the only leather parts are the shoulders and the accent piece in the back, and this reinforced diamond stitching, and it looks actually really nice. It's pretty flexible. There's actually leather. The rest of the jacket is actually like heavy duty, water resistant nylon shell. It's also combined with some spandex for stretch and comfort. So yeah, like I can kind of tell that it stretch a bit, but as you can see, it's a little bit hard to put on more than just a regular full zip jacket, but taking it off is even a little harder. Some of the things that are actually really nice is you have the little rivets on the side here of the hood. Show it says ENGINEHAWK on it. There's a little bit highlight on them. It's pretty nice. The hood itself actually has a clip, so it doesn't just flap around all the time, and it has the ENGINEHAWK logo on it. You have an EH, which is 3D embossed here. You can kind of tell that it's there, but it's not just up in your face like some of the other jackets could be, which is kind of what I like there, on top of how awesome it looks. Some of the things that I actually wish they would improve on would be kind of like an armpit or Under Armour vent, because that part actually is where you sweat the most and probably what needs the most air coming in as you ride. It's nice to have some on the side, but you have also some of the vent coming from the pockets if you're wearing them, especially during the summer. So what's different about these jackets? So obviously the fitment is a little easier. The way it looks is more of a hoodie. It's not so much in your face. I'm a motorcycle jacket. The pads are really, really good. Like all the protection you can barely see, it conforms to you. So it's not just sticking out. It's very, very nice, very flexible. It feels like it's not even there, but obviously it's level 1 on this one. I have the level 2s coming, but it's just, definitely technology has gone a long way since I last bought a jacket. So there's that. There's also no reflective material at all in this jacket. It would be nice to see maybe the thread used for the diamond stitching to have some of that reflecting thread. Maybe have a little band across the top so where you can kind of see something. It's one of those kind of like in the UV jacket that they have, to where it just shows up when light hits it. So it's still kind of incognito, but you have some sort of way of seeing a rider. Something else that I wish it had is the belt loops that keep the back down, because although it fits really well and it has enough length in the back, sometimes depending on how and what you actually ride, you could be tucked completely, and with your arms up, you're just gonna start seeing a little bit of the skin on the back if your shirt rides up, or as your jacket takes your shirt with you when it rides up in that particular position. So to keep it in place, it'd be kind of nice. There's also no pockets inside other than the pockets for the armor, and although you have this front pocket, it would be nice to have something inside to where, I don't know, you want to keep something else there. Other than that, I feel like it's a very well-fitting jacket. It looks amazing. I am a big fan of it. And if you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. If you made it this far, thank you. First of all, hit that like button and type in the comments, did you see that bike? This bike. All right, until next time guys, keep causing a ruckus. Later.